Joining the Indian Army through the Technical Entry Scheme, or TES, is an exciting opportunity for those who have just completed their 12th grade. Let's dive into the essential details you need to know to embark on this journey. First, let's talk about eligibility. To apply for TES, you must be an Indian citizen, and you should have completed your 12th grade with physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Your aggregate score should be at least 70% in these subjects. Additionally, you should be between 16.5 to 19.5 years old at the time of applying. It's crucial to ensure you meet these criteria before you proceed. Now, moving on to the application process. The Indian Army releases notifications for TES twice a year, typically in June and December. You'll need to apply online through the official Indian Army website. Fill out the application form carefully, ensuring all your details are accurate. After submitting your application, you'll receive a confirmation, and if you're shortlisted, you'll be called for the next stage. Next up is the selection process. This consists of a written examination followed by an SSB interview. The written exam tests your knowledge in mathematics and general science, so brush up on your concepts. If you clear the written test, you'll be invited for the SSB interview, which lasts for 5 days. This is where your personality, leadership qualities, and psychological aptitude will be assessed. Be prepared for group discussions, personal interviews, and various psychological tests. It's a rigorous process, but it's designed to find the best candidates. Once you clear the selection process, you'll move on to training. Successful candidates undergo a training program at the Indian Military Academy in Dehradun. This training lasts for about 3 years, where you'll not only learn military tactics but also develop your technical skills. You'll be trained in various engineering fields depending on your specialization. This is where you'll transform from a civilian to a soldier. Now, let's talk about ranks and salary. Upon commissioning, you'll start as a lieutenant, and your salary will be around Rs 56,100 per month, along with various allowances. As you progress in your career, you can rise through the ranks to captain, major, and beyond, with salaries increasing significantly at each level. The Indian Army also offers various perks, including medical facilities, housing, and education for your children. Career growth in the Indian Army is not just about promotions. It's about the diverse opportunities available. You can specialize in various fields, such as engineering, logistics, or even join the Army's technical branches. There are also opportunities for further studies both in India and abroad, which can enhance your skills and knowledge. In conclusion, joining the Indian Army through the Technical Entry Scheme is a rewarding path for those passionate about serving the nation. With the right preparation and determination, you can turn your aspirations into reality. Remember, it's not just a career, it's a commitment to serve and protect your country. So, gear up, stay focused, and take the first step towards an incredible journey in the Indian Army.